Green Desert, we love showing you guys ways to turn your meals into amazing, healthy concoctions. So that's why Sophia is here. This is Sophia, by the way. Sophia's here because she made this recipe that you guys went crazy over. It looked delicious, so I'm excited to try it.
It was good.
We're talking
It was good.
stuffed bell peppers. You guys were all over our Green Desert Facebook page saying, show me how to make it.
Recipe.
So,
Okay.
So Sophia's here to show us how to make these stuffed bell peppers, and I am amazed at how simple it was.
Yeah.
The nice thing about it is we have a recipe, but I've told you guys before, we don't necessarily follow it. You use what you have, and that's one of the things that helps with making you be a little more self-sufficient. Right. Don't go out buying things. Use what you have.
Right.
Make
and
it work.
I had it all in the cabinet.
So you had it all. Okay, so let's talk about what people are going to need for this recipe.
So you're going to need your bell peppers, and we've already prepared them, so we just kind of cut the top off and seeded it out. You know.
And you can use whatever bell peppers you have or you want. We just like that they were so pretty. It almost makes you not want to eat them. Okay, so let's quickly go through the ingredients. We've got our bell peppers. We've got vegetable broth.
Right.
We've got, as far as seasonings, smoked paprika.
I love that.
I know you do.
I love smoked pepper.
Cumin. And chili powder. We also have corn. We've got diced tomatoes. Diced onions. Tomato paste or spaghetti sauce or whatever you do to make it yummy. We've got mushrooms, spinach. You can also use kale or any other types of green. We've got black beans. I love black beans, but you can use whatever beans you have, especially if you have some that are already made.
Right.
Okay, and that's about it.
And this is just for people who want a little cheese.
I took the cheese out to grate, and I did not see it on the recipe, but
it's not. It's just something that we want to add.
She wanted her cheese.
And so we got almond cheese.
It is almond cheese. We're gonna keep it simple and healthy, and it's gonna be all good.
Right.
All right, so the first thing we had to do is, you said we cut these off.
Cut these off, take the seeds and everything out of them. So we've already done. Now these actually go in the oven for 10 minutes before we do anything stuffed.
Okay.
Stuffed with them.
All right, so those are our bell peppers. We're just gonna throw that in the oven.
Tell me the temperature.
You tell me. I don't know, you made this. Let's do it at 350 for 10 minutes. And I love using the conventional oven over the regular oven too, because that's going to save us a little bit of energy. So you'll need 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, and you just want to almost mince it or make it as small as you can. And then Sophia, what do we need next?
Well, we're gonna saute the garlic and the onion together with vegetable broth.
Oh, okay.
I'm not using olive oil for this, so you know this is where you can kind of substitute for being more healthy.
Right.
So you can saute with veggie broth.
And it gave you options too. You can do the broth, you can do oil, or you can do water. Broth, we thought a little healthier than oil, and it's got a little more flavor.
Right.
There's. Oh, did you put the broth in yet?
No.
Okay.
I'm ready.
You ready?
Okay. 2 tablespoons of this.
2 tablespoons of your vegetable broth, or whatever type you use.
Some garlic.
There's garlic for you.
Some onion. And let's get those flavors coming. Yep.
So 5 minutes, you're going to let your onions and garlic just kind of simmer.
And then we're going to put everything else in here.
I've got some corn.
Ooh.
This is a really quick and easy recipe, and it looks all gourmet-ish. We've got our black beans, mushrooms, diced tomatoes, and tomato paste.
Yes.
It's a teaspoon of each of your seasonings, or as much as you want. And then we've got yummy spinach. Again, remember this can be kale or whatever type of greens you like.
Just sit it right there.
Too bad you guys can't smell this or taste it. But if you make it, let us know. Take a picture and we'll post it on the site and let us know how it was, if you made any changes or anything like that.
Yep.
This is exciting. Remember, backyard to kitchen.
Right, so do you have your
Handy top?
Yep. Let's just get it. We'll just.
And so you know, with spinach, if you do any cooking with steaming or stirring spinach, that's going to cook way down.
It'll just be nice and green.
Okay. Let's.
It's ready. Peppers are ready. have your oven.
You put this in here pretty good.
I know.
There we go.
We barely made it.
So now it's time to stuff. So we let that simmer for about 15 minutes on low.
Yep.
And then we're just going to stuff them.
Spinach has wilted.
Ooh.
It's looking amazing over here.
The nice thing about this is you can make so many different meals with just one recipe.
Right.
All right, so now we're going to stuff the peppers. I'll bring it over here and we'll stuff.
Stuff.
Okay. Okay.
All right, 10 more minutes for these babies.
All right, so we throw them in the oven 10 more minutes. Minutes.
Grate it, and we'll just kind of take some sprinkles.
Ooh, making a mess. Let's just do it this way. How about that? There's our grated
That's
cheese.
enough
This is for anybody who wants cheese on top of their. All right, our 10 minutes is good. Oh, you're gonna sprinkle some cheese? You fell. I'm sorry. There you go. They're falling. They're falling. And I can't get up. But look at how yummy. And again, stuff it as full or as little as you want with whatever you want. So that's our stuffed bell peppers. We'll have this recipe online as well. And as usual, if you make it, let us know about it. We want to see it. We want to see all the different things you did so that we can try them as well. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for sharing the recipe with us.
So happy.
Yes, your food is big, guys. It's your energy. It's your information. It's all about eating green and getting sun.
And staying grounded.
Absolutely. So whatever you can make from your backyard or your farmer's market or whatever, and you bring it to your kitchen, that's what it's about. It's pure, it's yummy, and
delicious.
and delicious. Okay, guys, again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell and share this video.
Right.